Tired of choosing between your TV speakers and your soundbar? Let's use them both at the same time for a fuller sound. First, locate the optical audio output on the back of your TV. It usually says optical out or digital audio out. Next, find the optical audio input on your soundbar. It will look similar to the one on your TV. Now, take an optical audio cable and connect one end to the optical audio output on your TV. Make sure it clicks into place. Connect the other end of the optical audio cable to the optical audio input on your soundbar, again ensuring it's securely plugged in. Navigate to your TV's audio settings menu. This is usually found under Settings, then Sound or Audio. Make sure the audio output format is set to PCM or Auto. This ensures compatibility with your soundbar. Crucially, ensure that your TV speakers are set to on and not disabled. This will allow sound to come from both the TV and the soundbar. And that's it. You should now be hearing audio from both your TV speakers and your soundbar simultaneously. Enjoy your enhanced sound.